Hello again, my lovely people. We are back and I'm here to show you the newest version of my solar system editor. So, everyone, as you can see, we are moved to version 39. So, let's see how it works. As you can see, nothing major changed so far on the UI. You can put new systems here as usual, and then you can edit the system as you want it to be. So you want it to have custom name, you can do it like always. Solar. And then can you choose star you want to have, or stars. Yeah, or a custom star class if you want to have it a custom modded star class. It's up to you. You can choose it for yourself. So let's put in, what should we take? An red star, okay. And then let's enable mandatory neighbors as well, and you can say it's the custom Hula system initializer. So what we do next is put in the star we want, and the star name, well, our creative Hula, and then it's a red dwarf, and yeah, we can choose it to be between the size 5 to 50. So let it make a main star class of 25, and here we can also edit the orbit distance so it's not centered, a bit off. And here, this is also new, and here maybe it's not what I think it is, but I can edit it later. And yeah, we can choose an angle. And yes, this should be enough. So there's our star, and then you can see we have another solution to add things. I didn't add it for belts, but yeah, I think that should be fine. Safe. And as you can see, now we have the ability to add asteroids directly under the belt. So should be good, right? Yep. And every additional asteroid you put there would have an orbit plus 0, so it's on the same orbit from the belt point of view. Alright. But as you can see, it's slightly off the center. So yeah, it will be a bit off. You can click also here to add a planet, and you can say what it should be. Also, if it should be a star or a rift star, protostar from nomads. And then you choose from our a column here, which a drop-down menu put on me, and say what planet class it should be and how big it should be, and how the orbit distance should be. So here we have it. We could say it's 90 degree with its fixed angle, or we put it on a range. So it can be in this direction always. Or we say it's in this range. Can it be found? And yeah, it's still a little off with the modifiers. You can only add them after you place the planet, which is kind of silly, but yeah. Nothing I can do about this. Okay, let's see. Yeah. We have a lot of new modifiers, as you can see, which is good. And yeah, always a nice solution. As you can see, you get an error message that says you can't add it right now. The next thing is with the deposits you can add to the planet as now. It's all the planet and deposits you can find in the game. So everyone can do a little overwhelming list of things with a planet, but don't overdo it. It could be game breaking. So we put it here, and this is our new unnamed planet. Yep. We want to automate this. That's not a problem. So this planet will not have a name right now. Also with our asteroids, they will always be automate naming through Stellaris. If you don't want to have that on, you just click it away here, and then you can name this asteroid as you like. As you can see, we have this molten world with nothing else special now, but you can add a moon like you want. And yeah, you can put here, interestingly, new planet things as well. It's gas giant. If the planet is big enough, you can also add a gas giant as a moon. And here we put an interestingly big moon to this world, so it could be considered a double planet with this size of planet and moon. And yeah, that's not all. You can also add something else. Where is it? There. Ring world sections. That's new. And yeah, I hope that could be also good use for you. So we want a habitable ring with a size of, yeah, they are always 25 if I remember right. Then we put a nice chunk of what? Yeah, something like that. Save. And yeah, now it's interesting because we must use our planet line, because we can, if we want to do a proper ring, we need to do it this way right now. Oh yeah, and maybe we should do this instead. Oh no. Fixed angle. 90. That's right. And yeah, how many components do we need? 8, right? Oh, if we have to use 8, that's another angle here. But as you can see, you stack them to another, so it builds up the ring world around the system. Here, I hope that's helpful enough what I did so far. But yeah, that's not all you can do, but yeah, it's most what you can do. And I find it helpful myself by doing in my star systems I want to use. So you go the way to your Stellaris path where your mods can be found. There you have this mod folder for the star systems you want to do, common and solar initializers, and there are all the systems you want to do or work with. It can be named how you want, but there are all the systems you want to be in it. So let's go with our little Archon system here. Click import, and there you have it. All the planets that are in the Archon system will be imported. And yeah, that are a lot of planets. And yes, as you can see, they are mostly clockwise arranged around, so that they are not in a line if they are not planet moons. So we have a good overview over all the planets in the system, so that they're not placed together and you can't see which planet you have to add and what they maybe look like. Yeah, and also that's what I really like about this system. You can't really good see if they are sharing one orbit with each other. And this is one of the best solutions for the trinary orbit of the Archon system. Yeah, Oh, stellar engineering. A nice solution for problems you didn't know you had, right? Here, as you can see, it's nicely stacked, and yeah, it's being really good. So, when you're finished, you click on export, and you have different solutions. So you can click generate mod, and then you name the file, click OK, and it packs you a zip file. And in the zip file you find everything you want to find, or you need, for the mod, which you can pack into your mod folder. So, pretty simple. Or you click on download file, then these files will be downloaded as well in your download folder as a text file. And this can be also put into the mod folder. Here. And you also can look into the code notes for the file and see if you are prone enough, if everything looks right. Or that's the other solution, you put it in VS Code with the necessary codes to look if everything is right, and if there's an error it will show you as well. But this one is so good by now, it most likely has no error in it. And yeah, it's pretty good so far, my point of view. You can use it how you want it to be. Oh wow, oh, maybe that's a little difficult, but yeah, I will load this file so we can see if it's worked properly. So see you. So as you can see, I have now our launcher for Stellaris with our playset that have my folder with the systems in it. Yeah, it says this is not the right version, but I can tell you it's the right version. So what we do, we go into the game and try to start a new game with one of our test systems or made systems and look if everything works how it should be. Okay. Let's create a new one. Okay. Add text and so on is not necessary. We maybe something that's are similar with what I wanted to play. Yeah. Okay. Imperial. Shroudwatch? Maybe. What? Does not have... Is not... Yeah. That's all we are not. Why didn't I... Can't I pick it? Oh, yeah, that's why. So, now it's right. Okay. They're gray out. Okay. Then let's pick another one that should also work with it. Rift wall? No, 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 no. Payback? Overtuned. That should work. Yeah. Dedicated miners. Express tradition. Wow, low maintenance? Well, splice adaptability. That's something I will need. And elevated synapse. So, and do we have anything that will help with the downsize? For 40 years. That's not good. Yeah, enduring. Great. Because of Space Empire? Yes. That should be fine. Humans. I'll leave Human Foundation. Empire of Kazakh. And yeah, what was it? A Tundra World. Homeworld name is Sleipnir. Star name is Asgard. Great. That should be fine, right? We need a Prussian blue. Oh yes. Where's the gold? That's gold. Humanoid city, yes. Where's it? Humanoid. Emperor. Savior Heimborn. Arc Prophet. Okay, that's more Imperial. Okay, that's better. Okay, Principal. Or wait. No, 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 no. Eye for talent. That's the way to go. Okay, save. Done. That's not what I should take, but okay. Let's put on Ensign and let's... Yeah, Starburst. That should be fine. Okay, let's try this out. Let's see if it works. Okay. Begin. Alright. Okay, Hugin and Mugen are great. Asteroids are fine. Here's our Sleipnir. That's Odin. Yes. There's Thor with Vulcan. Yeah, that looks pretty fine to me. Boulders here, and with Loki. Loki. Oh, there's it. So I had put on Sleipnir one thing. That should be okay. Sporring Nature Reserve. Noxious Swamps, that's also great. Okay, one thing I didn't find here is here the shipwreck, but okay, that's not a minor. Alright, that's something I didn't anticipate it right now, but okay. That's maybe on the file. Okay, that should I try to repair, but the star itself looks fine with the planets inside. Yep. They are fine. What's not fine is the link. So that's something I need to repair. Where was it? Well... Oh, there's it. Okay, let's go into observe mode. Perfect. So I can see all our systems that are linked to the sector I wanted to do. And that's the Asgard sector, but yeah. There's one thing that's not right at the moment, and that's... Oh yeah, I see. The naming thing. So that's something I need to repair on my side. That shouldn't be a problem for you, but yeah. Something I will look into later, but shouldn't be a problem. But it works so far, what I see. It works, that's the thing. Yep, that's in normal vanilla systems, that's it Stellaris itself, but what we did with the Stellaris Editor did its things and made all the planets and stars we wanted to do. And yeah, you should also be able to do multi-stellar star systems with it, and in a good way it should always be in a way you would love to do it, without headaches on to look for every here semicolon and so on. Yeah, and every bracket it is placed on the right point, so you don't have to look too much into coding itself. Alright, my lovely people, I hope that's helpful for you, and I put the link down below for the editor so you can use it yourself and yeah, embrace a bit more of Stellaris by making your own custom starting systems. So everyone, thank you for watching and see you next time with more news for this Solar System Editor. Okay, bye bye.